Alright, quick video. Toro recycler 22-inch personal pace. If you're trying to push it forward and it's going, but it's making a kind of a clicking noise, like grrr, grrr, and then it goes, what's probably happening is your wheels have gears on them and they are probably worn out. So these ones up here, you can see they have pretty bad wear marks, and then down here they're completely worn out. And that's when the little pinion gear here gets into this gear. It just makes a clicking noise instead of going forward. It'll eventually engage and then start going, but you'll have that. So last year this started happening, and what I did is actually just took the wheels and flipped them down to the other side, and what that did was just wore the other side of the gear. I got about an extra year out of it, but this year it's happening again, so I need to get new wheels with the gears on it. Pretty simple, 1/2-inch socket on that shoulder bolt there. I put a little bit of grease on there, probably good or bad for that, but I like just to put a little grease on the axle bolt here, bolt it up, and then it's all ready to go. So quick way, I think these are total were $35 for a pair of two, and this lawnmower is already 10 years old and it's still running like great, so I don't know, breathe some more life in it and have it going. Anyway, thanks for watching. See ya.